This is not for broadcast. English by radio, grade 7, program number 25.
The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for grade 7. This is program 25. Lesson topic: have you finished your homework?
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Hawa, what have you done today?
Oh, I have done a lot of things.
What things have you done?
Oh, Leah, you remind me of the What Have You Done song.
I want to sing that song.
I too.
That's a good idea. Students, I hope you remember the last week's song. Let's sing it together. Group 1 students sing with Obang and Group 2 sing with Hawa. Teacher, please sing with both groups. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has she done? What has he done today?
I have washed my face, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn.
That's good, students. You'll sing the song again later. Now, listen to Hawa and Obang. Listen.
Hawa, have you done your homework?
No, I haven't yet done.
Students, has Hawa done her homework? Obang, has Hawa done her homework?
No, she hasn't yet done.
Students, has Hawa done her homework? Right, she hasn't yet done. Students, say, no, she hasn't yet done. Students, say that again. No, she hasn't yet done.
Right, I haven't yet done my homework.
What's it about?
It's about the past and past participle of verbs.
Oh, I have already done that.
Students, has Obang done his homework? Hawa, has Obang done his homework?
Yes, he has already done it.
Students, tell me again, has Obang done his homework? Yes, he has already done it. Students, say, yes, he has already done it.
Yes, I have already done it.
Could you please help me in doing mine?
Yes, of course.
Good. Now, I'll say a verb and you'll tell me its past and past participle forms.
Okay.
The first verb is do.
The past is did.
And the past participle?
Done.
Yes, did, done.
Students, what is the past form of do? Did. And the past participle is? Done. That's right.
Ubang, now tell me the past and past participle forms of wash.
That's easy. Washed, washed.
Washed for both?
Yes, the past form of wash is washed, and the past participle is also washed.
Okay, now tell me that of go.
Go, went, gone.
Students, what is the past form of go? Yes, went. And the past participle form of go? Right, gone. Students, now listen to Hawa and Obang telling me the past and past participle forms of verbs. Listen. Hawa, come.
Came, come.
Now, Obang, begin.
Began, began.
Right. Began, began. Now, Hawa, comb.
Combed, combed.
Yes. Obang, tell.
Told, told.
That's correct. Take.
Took, taken.
catch.
Coat, coat.
That's very good, Hawa and Obang. Students, now tell me the past and past participle forms of the verbs I say. I will say a verb 2 times and you tell me its past and past participle forms. Are you ready? Catch, catch.
Coat, coat.
That's right. Now, it.
Ate, eaten.
Yes, ate, eaten. Now, another verb. See.
So, seen.
That's correct. Cut.
Cut, cut.
Yes, it has the same forms. Cut. Now, another verb, students. Write.
Wrote, written.
That's correct. Run.
Run, run.
Yes, the same. Run. Now, one more verb. Speak.
Spoke, spoken.
Yes, spoke, spoken. That's very good, students.
Can we sing our song, Leah?
Yes, we can. Students, now let's sing our song again. Group 2 students sing with Ubang and Group 1 sing with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
I have washed my face, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn.
That's very good, students. Now, listen again to Hawa and Ubang. Hawa has already done her homework.
Yes, I have already done it.
And what other things have you done today, Hawa?
I have washed my face.
Okay, you have washed your face.
And I have brushed my teeth.
You have brushed your teeth.
Yes, and I have drunk a cup of tea.
You have drunk a cup of tea.
Right, Ubang. Now tell me what you have done today.
Wait a minute, Ubang. Students, you will tell your partner what you have done today. When your partner tells you what he or she has done, you repeat what he or she has said. But first, listen to Hawa and Ubang as example.
Okay, I have washed my face.
You have washed your face.
I have eaten a loaf of bread.
You have eaten a loaf of bread.
And I have combed my hair.
You have combed your hair.
That's very good, Hawa and Ubang. Students, now do in the same way. In your pairs, tell your partner what you have done today, and your partner will repeat what you have said. Teacher, please help your students in doing the activity and in taking turns. You have about 2 minutes. you, teacher. Students, now tell your partner what you haven't done today. But first, listen to Hawa and Obang telling each other what they haven't done today. Listen carefully.
Obang, now tell me what you haven't done today.
Okay, I haven't played football.
You haven't played football.
I haven't drank milk.
You haven't drank milk.
And I haven't seen a film.
You haven't seen a film.
I haven't worn a tie.
You haven't worn a tie.
And I haven't ridden a bicycle.
You haven't ridden a bicycle.
And
That's good, Hawa and Obang. Now, let the students do in the same way. Students, now, in your pairs, tell your partner what you haven't done today. Teacher, please help your students in telling each other what they haven't done today. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. Group 1 students sing with Obang and Group 2 sing with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
what have you done? What has she done? What has he done today?
I have washed my face, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn.
Let's sing the song for the last time, students. But now, Group 2 sing with Obang and Group 1 sing with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has she done? What has he done today?
I have washed my face, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn.
Very good, everyone. That's all we have for you today. And now it's time for us to go.
Yes, it's time to go. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
That was English for Grade 7 from the Ethiopian Educational Media Agency. Join us again next week in Program 26. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.